So let's jump right into this video. I have this beautiful Tinashe hair, 20 inch. There's 613 blonde straight human hair. I'm going to use the shimmering lights to take the yellow out of the hair. And I paid $163.64 for this 20 inch. So now I'm parting the hair in the middle because I want to try something different. I'm going to be using Tinashe Sapphire and Adore Indigo Blue. Yay, food break. And I just started the hair. I'm gonna bust this food down and be right back. Look, blink of an eye. I'm right here. Now I'm putting saran wrap over the blue so the colors won't touch. So I'm using Adore 150 Platinum and Tinashe Mystic Silver and yellow for the ends. I was so mad I touched the top of the head with my glove, child. Now I'm blow drying the hair. I'm not in love with what I did, but I'm really trying to be different and out of the box and see what colors would go together. I know you want to have a nice color story, but now I'm thinking maybe I should have colored the hair all blue, or maybe I should have did that silver and platinum color with the yellow ends. Let me know down below what you guys think. Like, it looks cute from some angles, and then some angles it don't look cute. It's like, what the heck is that on her head? Like, what is she thinking? But let's see how it is when I pin curl everything. I'm definitely liking the pin curls better with this color story. Let me know down below what you guys think. If I should have just went with green, yellow, and blue like the typical, you know, color story, or y'all like this kind of different look. And yeah, until next time, peace.